All right, update time. Turbos are mounted. You saw that. Started getting the cold side on. Braden's been absolutely stacking 50-cent pieces over here. Getting all the welding up. We, like I said, we use the Motion wastegate flange. One wastegate's on, one turbo's on. We got the downpipe started a little bit, titanium, and the aluminum cold side going. Braden's just welding away. Just welding, 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 and more welding. You get tired of welding?
Never.
Never! There's lots of welding on turbo kits. So we've got this hot side done. We are just cutting out the, Braden's gonna cut out the hole for the wastegate and get that one welded on. And then we'll be done with the hot side. Now granted, I'll have to trim the dump tubes a little bit, but that ain't no thing but a chicken wing. So we'll get to that here. Maybe I'll get started on that right now. I don't know. But I kind of want to see where the two wastegates position first. You can see we got the laser set up to make sure we get them in the exact same spot, and they are. So just little things make it look a lot better. Now we just need to get Joe at Comp Turbo to make mirror image turbos in 88s. But that's okay. That's no big deal. And we're just moving along. We'll get the cold side here. And who knows, maybe the exhaust. It's getting pretty late. Braden's welding up the cold side.
Yep. Tacking.
How many gaps you got in that rig?
No gaps, brother. Come on.
No gaps. Team no gap. Only at the racetrack. So we're just connecting the dots here. Wastegates are all on. Very symmetrical besides the dump tubes yet, but we're getting there. Braden just stacking dimes.
One lone dime.
You know what? I want to start seeing some quarters from here on out.
All right, noted.
They're worth almost 2.5 times.
Full enchilada, bro. Wait, they're gonna like this. It's gonna go.
All right, I'm watching.
Yep.
Now you're on camera. You're making some gaps.
Where?
There ain't no gaps. No gaps.
That's pretty good.
I don't think we tacked that yet, but we'll get there.
We'll save that for last.
One piece at a time.
Uh-huh.
And one thing Braden wanted to note is, so originally we had this piece pretty long, and we had this small little area there that we had to fill in. Well, instead of having this tiny little area and a weld, we cut this one back so he spaces his welds out.
It's usually how I prefer to do it.
Just makes it look better, cleaner.
Yep.
A lot more professional looking, you know?
Yeah. And aluminum, if you have like a little 1/4-inch sliver in the inside of a pie cut, you go to do one weld and the whole thing will just gone.
Just melts because it takes so much heat to weld aluminum.
Something like that.
All right, we're moving on. Braden's got to go to the hospital. He got hurt.
Oh, shit.
Workman's comp. No cussing.
I'm totaled.
We got the turbo kit on. What do you think, big dog?
I think it's looking good. Looks fast.
Could you do better?
Considering I literally did this?
I don't think you could do better.
Nope.
Looks pretty good. Let me flip this around. Dun, this is where you insert dun, dun, dun music. I don't know.
I like that. Keep it up.
So, pretty good, pretty symmetric, you know. Like we talked earlier, Braden really prides himself on where the welds are placed. Now, granted, it's just tacked right now, so.
It looks good if you squint, you know?
Yeah, I mean, Bluetooth welds.
Yeah.
So we will, well, Braden will get all this welded up. We're gonna work on the blow-off valves in this area. Where do you think they should go?
Where they need to be.
I mean, just anywhere. And
Yeah.
I was thinking over here somewhere.
Yeah, you're talking right in here somewhere, right?
Yeah, I don't know about on the bottom, maybe on the sides.
Work, you got plenty of room.
So,
You tell them what time it is?
oh,
We're burning the late night.
yeah,
Whatever you wanna
nothing
call it.
new. Last night I was here till 10:30. But Braden is here on his own, burning his time, you know. But we're getting it done. We're probably about wrapping up here soon, though. Soon.
We're getting close.
This is where we wanted
Home
to be, honestly.
Yeah, we've gotten a lot done today.
Braden wants to get the rest of this welded and get the blow-off valves on there, and I don't know, we'll see. So we're gonna keep moving on. We wanted to make sure the whole front end fit. You know, turbos are really close to those Christmas tree deals, but as Braden says,
Inches a mile.
we got miles of room. So looking good. Moving on. Braden's doing the honors. Lowering it down so he can see it. Shoo-wee! What do you think? Looks like a radial car with the turbos way out there.
I think she looks mean.
Well, at 3,200 pounds, you got to hang some weight out front.
She's a big girl.
Look at those welds. Pretty nice. Got the blow-off valves on there. They're not symmetrical. Dang it. I'm just kidding.
I think they are.
Well, quite the day.
That's right. It has been quite the day.
Super badass for Braden to waste his Saturday out here with me. Brad had to do some babysitting, but
That's all good, man. I'm
dog
happy to help.
life. Yep.
We've had a good time today.
Now you can say you laid some $50 on there.
Sure did.
Not some dimes. Those are better than dimes. What do you think?
Something like that.
Yep.
But she turned out pretty good.
Yeah, you like it?
I'm happy with it.
Braden gave a lot of input on what to do, where to put things, and I let him just roll with it. So if anybody's complaining,
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Stuff went where you wanted it.
He made sure, you know, the pipes were super tight fitting. You know, just a lot of tedious work goes into this deal. And it really shows in the welds, doesn't it?
Yeah, not too bad for a Saturday night special.
Right. So, all right, well, I don't know what Brad and I are going to get tackled down tomorrow, but maybe the downpipes. There's a few little bungs we got to put in, the back pressure bungs and stuff, but other than that, a lot of big stuff done. Turbos mounted, cold side done, blow-offs, IAT sensor, even though who really reads that thing, but wastegates on. What do you think?
Pretty good progress for one day.
You like how it looks?
Yeah, it looks great. Looks fast.
Yeah.
Now it's just time to find out if it is.
Right. A few more weeks. All right. We're moving forward. Bradley's here today.
It was here yesterday.
He was. It was a big team effort yesterday. Team Vasco to the front. But today we are working on the downpipes. That's what Brad chose. Getting the titanium downpipes together. At least tacked together, we're trying. We only have a couple hours this morning before Brad's got some plans to go to. And I'm starting to cut the holes. Got the holes marked out. Right there. X plus marks the spot. So, big moment. Cutting big holes. But be glad they are not in the tops of the fenders. Right, Brad? Brad wouldn't allow it. Brad's welding some brake tabs for the brake lines, obviously. Motion Raceworks sells these brake kits that allows you to go from hard line to soft line at the calipers with these brackets, and we coped them to get on the 1 5/8" tube there. So yeah, let me flip this around and show you. You can kind of see the turbo poking through, and honestly, I'm sure everybody thought they were super low already, but the downpipe actually has to come downward.
Yeah.
So that is good though. That leaves us some room to maneuver. We've never really had room to maneuver.
Yeah.
We have always been super tight areas.
But when you start building pro mods,
It's kind of nice.
yeah, I mean,
Is this why everybody does it?
I guess, I don't know.
So, yeah.
I heard a lot of people asking.
And honestly, I think it's a pretty good question. So, are you going radial racing? Is that what this is for, or is it what is your what are you wanting to do?
I don't know what we're wanting to do.
Or are you gonna do no prep stuff with this?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we might go dirt road racing the way it sits right now.
Okay.
You saw the scales.
Yeah.
There's a reason why we put the turbos way up there, Brad.
Yeah,
That's
I'm aware.
because this thing was way over 50% on the back.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I don't know if that's very good.
Yeah.
I know it's not very
Let's
good.
just say you're probably not gonna need the butthurt bar anymore.
No. But like we've been saying from the get-go, we put the mid plate where it's at for the big block.
Yeah.
Not for the LS.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to struggle a little bit with the LS. But that's all right.
So if you
is
decide
what
to
it
put the
is.
big block in it, then what happens?
Then we're going to be sitting really good,
Oh,
is
okay.
what I'm getting at.
Okay.
Where the engine placement is.
Are you
'Cause-
planning on doing that?
Yeah, eventually. I don't
Okay.
know.
All right.
Sometime. You never know. The LS might give up the ghost.
Yeah, it might. You never know.
It's a stock block.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, all right, I'm going to get to cutting.
Okay. Get after it.
There ain't no stopping us. A little bit of glue coming through,
That
but
blue's some rowdy stuff.
that is. Yeah, this, we didn't even talk, but this is Cameron Johnson titanium Christmas tree, and it's glued in there. A little bit of black spray paint over it, maybe. I might just leave it.
Yeah, I always carbon over them, but I mean, you can
Yeah.
do whatever you want to do. But yeah, it's the glue that we use, like, it literally sets up in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's
and
wild.
Like rock hard.
It's wild. So, all right, we're getting after it.
Waiting on you.
so I got the wastegates all cut and trimmed. We've been working on mocking up the downpipes. Brad's over here welding up the one downpipe. We've got it all made. And just need to weld it together. Put the O2 bung in there. Then we'll get going on the other one. Hopefully get it tacked up. Moving along. All right, we're wrapping up. Downpipe, that one is welded up a little bit. This one we got tacked up. It's super hard to get them the same. The first one's always easy.
Yeah, making the second one match sucks.
It does. And I'm pretty particular, Brad. Very. So
Especially when nobody's gonna see it. But
yeah. But I think we got it handled and we're sitting right. Let me flip this around. Shazam! Oh, looks pretty good. That is so low. Like,